everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name on PayPal. You can change your name on PayPal, but the process depends on the type of change you need to make. Go ahead and open a web browser and type in paypal.com. Make sure to open up PayPal on a web browser since you will not be able to change your name within the PayPal mobile application. After logging into paypal.com on a web browser, you will end up in the home page of PayPal. Click on the menu button and from the expanded menu, click on the gear button at the top. After opening up the gear button, you will end up in the account tab. Your name and your profile picture will be displayed on the screen where you need to tap on change name. Now, enter the name that's on your government issued photo ID. You can make a change to your name if it's a minor correction, such as fixing a misspelling. Go ahead and enter your name on this text box and finally click on continue at the bottom. If you've legally changed your name due to marriage or divorce, then PayPal requires documentation. Go ahead and enter your photo ID, which can be a national identity card, passport, or a driver's license. Select your document type and you will also need to upload your document. Tap on the drop your files or click to browse button over here, and from your device's camera roll, you can go ahead and upload the document type that you've selected. You can also tap on take photo and take the picture of your document right away and upload it onto this page. While uploading your document, make sure that it is not expired, it must be clear and easy to read, and you'll also need to upload the front and the back of your ID. Finally, click on submit and PayPal will review the document, which may take a few days, and if your document supports your name change, you will be able to change your name on PayPal. Nicknames or fake names are not allowed, so you must use your legal name. And if you want to change a certain misspellings, then you can do it easily on PayPal. So that is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.